also makes for a really good hot sauce. And again, all you just need is vegetables and some salt. The ratio that's usually recommended is somewhere between 1.5 to 2 teaspoons for every pound of vegetables. So here I have a bunch of jalapenos, freshly harvested from my coworker's garden, that I've just cut the tops off of, but I didn't de-seed them. This is a personal choice. I like a really spicy hot sauce. If you like a milder hot sauce, you can cut the seeds out. And I'm just going to throw these in a food processor with some onion, some garlic, and 2 teaspoons of kosher salt, and blend. Fermented pepper mashes like this are more prone to getting like a little bit of white yeasty film on the top, which is totally harmless, but never any fun. So I usually top mine off with just a little bit of apple cider vinegar to inhibit the growth of any of those little yeasts. Just a little bit. And then I'm going to use one of my jar toppers and wait. I find that these hot sauces improve in flavor over time, even over the course of 2 or 3 months. It's going to taste much better than it does right now. Right now, it's very sharp, so it'll mellow out over the course of time. And once it's at the right level of sourness for me, probably after about a week on the counter, I'm going to put it in the fridge to continue to develop and mellow. All right, so it's been 4 days since we made the hot sauce, and the color has shifted a little bit. It's dulled. It's not super bright green anymore. The top still looks good. There's no mold, anything like that. I am going to gently push all of the little pepper mash down below the surface to make sure that everything is submerged in liquid. And I'm just being very gentle with that because these is a mash and not individual pieces. So I'm just trying to push everything below the surface and make sure that the top is covered with liquid. And I'm going to let it ferment for a few more days, and then I'll put it in the fridge at the end of the week.